Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT unable to log in. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say you've entered your email address right here manually and you can't still log in. So what do we do? So go ahead and go back to this page, and then you can go ahead and continue using your Google account or Apple ID right here, or even your phone number if it's tied to your ChatGPT account. So it's the easiest way to log in by using the ones from the selection, as it will automatically log you in without typing down your ChatGPT account. All you got to do is just type down or log in with your Google, Apple, or your phone. Now, if that still won't work, maybe there's an outage for ChatGPT. You can go ahead and open up a new tab and just type down OpenAI system status. All right, right here we have OpenAI status. If you got the issue right here that says login issues or whatever issues, especially ChatGPT, all right, when you click on the components, you'll be able to see if there's red, if there's a bar that is red, well, that means you might be having issues, all right? So you won't be able to log in. You'll have to wait it out. Now, let's say there's no error right here and the uptimes are almost 100%. So what do we do next? We'll have to go ahead over to the three dots right here. Now go to settings on your browser. Left panel, we have privacy and security. Scroll all the way down, find third-party cookies, click on it and find see all site data and permissions. Click. Now go ahead and find ChatGPT, click on delete and delete. All right. And it says here you'll be signed out of these sites, so you'll have to sign back in again. Once that's deleted, just close the browser, reopen it once more, open up ChatGPT, and then once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT unable to log in. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.